Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best safety glasses that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the 3M Virtua CCS. With an affordable price tag, just $12 per pair, and 14,000 plus 5-star reviews on Amazon, the 3M Virtua frames are our overall pick for best safety glasses. They have all the desirable features important in safety gear, including an anti-fog and anti-scratch coating, polycarbonate lenses and a wraparound design for peripheral protection and unobstructed viewing. The standout detail is the foam-lined gasket that seals out even the smallest dust particles, while adding a layer of soft cushioning for comfort. Moving on at number 4, we have the DeWalt Concealer Goggles. The DeWalt Concealer Goggles are built for your toughest DIY projects. The heavy-duty lens resists scratches and protects against impact, like flying debris while woodworking. The dual-injected rubber seal conforms the goggles to your face for a snug fit that blocks out dust and debris. Built-in ventilation offers breathability and helps to reduce fogging. The elastic cloth head strap keeps them securely in place, no matter how hard you're working. At number 3, we have the Honeywell Hypershocks. The Honeywell Hypershocks are comfortable enough to wear all day. The molded nosepiece rests lightly on your face, while the soft, molded inserts at the temples help avoid chafing or tight pressure on the side of your head. The integrated hinges tighten or expand to provide a customized fit for any head size. The ultra-lightweight design means you'll barely notice them, but the impact-resistant frames don't skimp on safety features. At number 2, we have the Edge Kazbek Polarized Wraparound Glasses. As you may know, UV protection for your peepers is an essential summer safety tip, but it's actually important to consider all year long. While many options offer UV protection, we chose the Edge Kazbek safety glasses as our top pick because of their extremely light design and high-tech vision features. Seriously, their lenses use technology originally developed by NASA for astronaut helmets. Not only do they block 99.9% of UVA, UVB and UVC rays, the tapered lenses also eliminate refraction, which reduces eye fatigue and distortion. Plus, the wraparound polarized design reduces glare from both above and below. And finally at number 1, we have the CleanGuard Nemesis. If you're attempting an outdoor woodworking project on a bright and sunny day, reach for the CleanGuard Nemesis safety glasses. The tinted polycarbonate lenses with outer mirror coating reduce glare and provide protection against 99.9% of harmful UVA, UVB and UVC rays. Particularly useful in hot and humid environments, these tinted glasses have a flexible nosepiece designed to channel sweat away from the eyes and help prevent slippage down the nose.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.